Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing the nation today at 4 p.m. This would be the Prime Minister's sixth address to the nation since the outbreak of the pandemic. He had last addressed the nation on May 12th when he had announced a financial package to boost the economy recovering from the coronavirus-induced lockdown. TikTok India said it had been invited by the government to offer clarifications after it was blocked on Monday, along with 58 Chinese mobile apps over national security and privacy concerns. India had taken the first coercive action that hits Chinese business interests in India and one that will not impact Indian businesses much. Meanwhile, reports say TikTok stars have been asking their fans to follow them on Instagram. NDTV reports that Chinese forces in the contested Fingers region of Ladakh's Pangong Lake have inscribed a massive Mandarin symbol and map of China onto the ground they occupy. Earlier this week, the overall commander of Chinese forces in Tibet was photographed repainting the character of China in a frontier position along the India-China boundary. Corps commanders of the Indian and Chinese armies are meeting today at the Chushul border point as part of efforts to de-escalate the situation on the line of actual control in Ladakh. This will be the third meeting between the top military commanders. Taj Hotel in Mumbai received a threat call from a number in Karachi late last night. According to the Mumbai police, the caller, who identified himself as a member of the Lashkar-e-Taiba terror outfit, threatened to blow up the hotel. Mumbai police has tightened security at Taj Mahal Palace, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus and Taj Lands End, Bandra. Enforcement Directorate investigators today began the second round of questioning of senior Congress leader Ahmed Patel at his residence in Delhi in connection with the Sandesara brothers bank fraud and money laundering case probe. The agency has claimed that this is a bigger bank scam in volume than the PNB fraud. The Madras High Court said today there are grounds to charge 3 policemen allegedly involved in the father-son deaths with murder based on their post-mortem reports. 2 police officers are on wait and a constable has been suspended for allegedly trying to block investigations into the deaths of Jairaj and Phoenix in Tuticorin, which have been blamed on police torture in custody. Researchers in China have discovered a new type of swine flu that is capable of triggering a pandemic, according to a study in the US science journal PNAS. Named G4, it is genetically descended from the H1N1 strain that caused a pandemic in 2009. The authors called for urgent measures to monitor people working with pigs.